Bismillah. Today we are from previous week we are seeing about the revision of fifth unit of grade 10. From the chart we are talking. Last time we talked about that jumping events, a high jump, long jump, and all. Like today, now we are going to see about footing and throwing. Right, in that putting and throwing, we are having that classification or examples. We are telling shot put, discus, javelin throw, hammer throw. Right, in this one, shot put and discus we will study in grade 10, and the javelin we will study in grade 11, and this hammer throw only it's playing in national and international events. Right here, this hammer throw we are not having in school level events. So if you wish, you can go and you can search something in net. You can to find out the knowledge about hammer throw. Other three we are going to see here, the techniques and the techniques and that how we want to follow some kind of rules and some kind of technique methods we will study here, and stages. First of all, we are going to see about the shot put. Right, this shot put, they are having two types of techniques. Right, they are telling there are two techniques of putting shot put. Right, putt shot put, all are same word. Right, mainly here you need to know the techniques and how the field want to be there and what are the stages there are. Right, these all are the things you need to know. According to that, in your MCQs, you will get the questions. Right, first of all, here they are telling Perio-Berin technique, liner technique. That is the name, one technique, and the second one, rotational technique. Right, here you are in this chapter, you are going to study about the liner technique of shot put. Right, the first type of the techniques here you are going to see. Right, and now you can see here, they are telling this is the liner technique. This is the liner technique. Here see, these are the stages: preparation, gliding, power position, releasing, follow through. Right? So, how many stages you have in shot put? That stages, 5 stages. Right? Preparation, gaining speed, that is called gripping, power position, releasing, follow through. Right? According to this, you are having the rules and regulations. And now we are going to see by one what is they are telling here. See, let us study each of these stages under liner method of throwing the shot put. The technique of a right-handed shot putter has been described in these examples. Right, இவர் வந்து ரைட் ஹேண்ட் கொண்டவர், ரைட் ஹேண்ட் வழக்கம் உள்ளவர் வந்து எப்படி வீச போறாருங்கிறத தான் நாங்க இதுல வந்து தாரம் இதுல வந்து சொல்லி காட்டுறாங்க. It can be changed to left hander also. Right, that is their defined hands. அவங்களுக்கு வாக்கான ஹேண்ட்ஸ் வச்சு அவங்க இத வந்து வீசுவாங்க, த்ரோ பண்ணுவாங்க. Right, first one, preparation, sorry, yeah, stages. Now we are going to see by one. Here, these things, the இதுல தண்ணிக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு bulletல தண்ணிக்கிறேன். இத வந்து for your knowledge only you need to know. Right, in your exams they are not asking about this, but they will sometime they will give this picture, only this picture, and they will ask what is the stage of shot put, like that. But they will not ask about the how you want to stand, how you want to be in the ground. Likewise, they will not ask. So, if for your extra knowledge, you just go through this. But the pictures all are very important. In the picture, in that heading. Here, this is one preparatory stages. And next one, they are having the 5 stages now. For that 5 stages, they are having some certain pictures. That is also important. Sometimes in MCQ, they will give the picture and they will ask the stages. Or sometimes they will give the stages and they will give the picture. Likewise, it can be changeable. Right, see first one, first stage, they are telling hold the shot so that it touch the base of the neck below the ear and under the chin. Right, these are the rules. இதெல்லாமே வந்து ரூல்ஸ் தான். இந்த ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் செய்ய போற நேரத்துல இதெல்லாம் நாங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். ஆனா they are having some main rules. அத நீங்க இன்ஷால்லா நல்லா வச்சுக்கிட்டா சரி. And next one, bend the upper body forward until the body lines parallel to the ground. The shirt putter stands on the back half of the circle, turning his or her back towards the throwing direction. And next they're telling the left foot is moved backward to maintain the balance of the body. Last they're telling the left leg is then moved towards the forward in the circle and the supporting leg is bent at knee. Right? These are some kind of the stages you need to follow in a preparation. Second one, அது உங்களுக்கு விலங்கு தானே எப்படின்னு சொல்லி நாங்க கையை எப்படி வைக்கணும், காலை எப்படி வைக்கணும், நாங்க பின்னுக்கால வளைஞ்சி நிக்கணும், அதே மாதிரி நாங்க டேர்ன் ஆகிற நேரத்துக்கு எப்படி எங்களை காலை திருப்பணும் அப்படிங்கிற விஷயம் தான் இதுல சொல்லப்படுது. Gripping stage. Gripping stage means what they are telling, gaining speed. When we are having a speed, then only we can throw the putt longer, wherever we wish or wherever we achieve. நாங்க எங்க த்ரோ பண்ணணுமோ அந்த ஏரியாக்கு போறது வந்து கிரிப்லிங் ஸ்டேஜ். அப்ப இது வந்து மிச்ச முக்கியமான ஒரு பார்ட். Push the left leg backwards quickly with a sharp jerk. Right, and again telling the right knee is straightly stretched at the knee. Right here, see, this is the picture. This 5.24 is the picture for this description. Dribbling backwards on the ground is done on the heel of the right leg. Right, that is happening here. அப்ப நாங்க ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸ் ஒன்னு எடுக்கிறோம், இந்த பெக்வர்ட்ல இந்த கிரவுண்ட்ல பெக்வர்ட்ல ஹீல்ல தான் நாங்க வந்து கூடுதலான ஒரு பார்ட்டை நாங்க எடுக்கிறோம். Right, again we are going to the third stages. The third stage is power position. In this power position they are telling after getting the speed, the right foot is placed in the middle of the circle while the left foot is placed close to the front of the circle. அப்ப இது இப்படி நாங்க டர்ன் ஆகிறோம். நீங்க இந்த பிக்சரை மனசுல நினைச்சுக்கொள்ளுங்க. In that lesson when we are studied, I send you one video. You can go through that video also. That can be easy for you. The right leg is straightly bent at the knee and the weight of the body is on the right leg. Because why? The right leg is the right hand. They are carrying that part in a right hand. அப்ப நாங்க அந்த ரைட் லெக்குக்கு நாங்க எடுக்கிற நேரத்துல நாங்க அதை நல்லா ஹெவியா நாங்க புடிச்சு கொள்ளலாம். Again it's they are telling releasing, the fourth stage of short putt. In the releasing, see the picture, this is the releasing picture they are giving. The legs are stretched while turning the body towards throwing direction. The right hand is stretched at the elbow and the short putt is released. ரைட், இப்படி நாங்க கையை வச்சு நாங்க பின்னுக்கால வளைஞ்சு எடுக்கிறோம். எடுத்து என்ன செய்யறோம், நாங்க இதை ரிலீஸ் பண்ண போறோம். ரிலீஸ் பண்ண போற நேரம் நாங்க ஃபுல் ஃபோர்ஸோட என்ன செய்வோம், ரைட் ஹேண்ட நாங்க வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணி நாங்க ஃபுல்லாக்கி ரிலீஸ் பண்ணி விடுவோம் ஷார்ட் பட்டை. அப்ப அது என்ன நடக்குது, அப்ப ஷார்ட் பட் எங்க கையில இருந்து போன உடனே follow through that will happen because of why we need to balance our body. That is important part. When the short put has released, jump up bringing the back foot right to the front and the front foot to the back while in the air. நாங்க முன்னக கால முன்னக பின்னக ஜம்ப் பண்ணி இந்த பட்டிக்கொள்ளணும். Bend the right leg at the knee and straightly lean the upper body forwards. Stretch the leg foot backwards in order to maintain body balance. right? So we need to get the body balance. So that is a very important rule there, right? We after throwing the putter disc, we need to get the body balance. Otherwise, what will happen? We will lose. We will get the fault in the game, right? Here they are showing that the different ages in the weight of the shot put, right? This is also important one. You just mark it. What I am telling where it's important. இதெல்லாம் important சொல்றது sometime in MCQs it can be come. Right here, see they are telling weight of the shot put used for open competition of different ages limits at school level. Right, they are dividing into four age groups. For all age groups, for girls only they are having a 4 kilograms, right? But boys, it can be differ for to their age limits. 4, 5, 6, and 7, like that. It can be variable. They are having the changes, right? That is also important part. Now we are moving to the short part, that field throwing circle. Right, this is the circle of that one. Here last time also I draw that one. It can be easier to get the different, right? It's sorry. Here always they will show like this. This is a circle, right? And here they are having some kind of change. That is this part. I'm just having the coloring here. See here. Sorry. This part, and it can be have the line, right? This is the short part court, right? This is the difference of that short part and discus, right? In discus, it will not have a like this circle. Only the I'm drawing here. Only the circle and the area of throwing area, right? Here see, this is the difference of that short put and discus. In the area வந்து என்ன செய்யாது, டிஸ்கஸ்ல இருக்காது. ஆனா இது வந்து எங்க இருக்கும், ஷார்ட் பட்ல இருக்கும். அப்ப இத நாங்க பாக்குற நேரத்துல we can find out the differentiation of that chord, right? And next thing we are moving for discuss, right? For both are throwing events, so that's why we are seeing the techniques and stages. After that, we will see rules and regulation for both, the same thing. First of all, see this one, discus throw. Rotational technique is the commonly used method in discus throw. The process of discus throwing can be studied under 6 stages, right? Here they are telling about the rotational technique, right? This is the rotational technique. See here, these are the stages. For shortcut, you are having a how many stages? You are having a 5 stages, right?
Yes, sir.
5 stages. Here you are having for discus, you are having 6 stages, right? 6 stages you have. See, all are in the same. ஒரே இதுல என்ன நாங்க அவங்க எடுத்து காட்டுறாங்க. Starting position, rotating, power position, release, follow through, right? Again, now we are moving to that one by one. Preparation, how we need to carry that disc, right? That is also important part. Here they are giving the explanation here about the right hander. So when the discus is handled firmly in hand, the competitor stands turning his back towards the direction of throwing, right? And next they are telling the feet should be kept apart close to the edge of the circle with a depth slightly over shoulder width, right? How you want to carry that one? நாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்க்கே வந்து நாங்க ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் பண்றது வந்து கேரி பண்றதுக்கு தான். The knee should be straightly bent, right? இந்த மாதிரி பொசிஷன்ல அது வந்து காட்டப்படுது. Now we are moving to the second stage. Second stage, they are telling starting position. The body is turned clockwise, swinging the discus backwards. Swinging the backwards. The hand should be at a level close to that of shoulder. அது வந்து எங்களோட ஷோல்டர் அளவுக்கு வந்து அது எங்களுக்கு தூக்கு பிடிக்கணும். அதுதான் ஸ்டார்டிங் பொசிஷன். Right after that, they are talking about the rotational stage. Right, the third part. Here, see, in rotating stage, the left knee, the left hand, and the toe of the left foot are turned anti-clockwise towards the throwing direction. Right, you சுத்தி வராங்க anti-clockwise. Right, and right foot is rotated forward anti-clockwise close to the ground along the edge of the circle. The forwarded leap is made by pushing the body with the left leg and the right leg is landed close to the center of the circle. அப்ப right leg வந்து எங்க வருது? Center of the circle தான் வருது. நாங்க இத ஆரம்பிப்போம் இந்த circle இந்த இதுல நாங்க rotating ஆரம்பிப்போம். From here, see here, this is the circle of the part of the short part. Right, we will start this point from here. Right, from here we are rotating and coming here. After that, we will start to throw. Right, that will the difference of short put and discus. Right, again they are telling when this landing has been made, the body lands in a position that the back of the body is turned towards the throwing direction. The left leg is swung forward fast and the landed close to the front area of the circle. Right, these are the things they are telling in a the rotational stage. Power position. After getting the rotation only, we are getting the power position. When we are getting the power position only, we can achieve, we can get the goal where we need to throw there. Right, here they are telling the bend right knee bears the weight of the body. The shoulder lies above the right leg. Right, இந்த மாதிரியா தான் பவர் பொசிஷன் நாங்க பவர் எடுக்கிறது நாங்க டிஸ்கஸ்க்கு and releasing. Here see the releasing because we are having the right hand. எங்க right handல தான் இது இருக்குது. பாருங்க right leg வச்சு தான் நாங்க ரிலீஸ் பண்ண போறோம். The right leg is well stretched with the hip turning anti-clockwise. That is first one. The body is turned towards the throwing direction and the discus is released. Right, the last is also very important part. That is the part, the follow through. As the discus has been released from the hand, the position of the leg is changed so that the right leg is in the front and the left at the back. The right leg is bent at the knee and the body is slightly bent forwards. The left leg is moved and the stretch backwards. Right, after releasing. அப்ப நாங்க அந்த கோட்டுக்குள்ளத தான் நின்று கொள்ளணும். அத தான் என்ன சொல்ல வராங்க. Right, here see that the weight of the discus and the different ages. See, for boys here also they are having different for boys, but the girls here this is all they are telling about the different ages at the school level. Right, these are all school level students. For all they are giving 1 kilogram for girls, but here it can be changed for boys and boys. 1 kilo and 1 kilo, and after that 1.5 and 2 kilos. Right, that is all of you know the discus and part. Inshallah, wait, I will show you the pictures also. Wait, after this explanation, I will show you the equipment of this part and disc. This is the pot. Right, here you can see. Here you can see there is no this part. So you can find out this is the discus throw field. Right, for discus and short part, they are having the same rules and regulations they are followed. So நீங்க இதுக்கு தனியாவும் அதுக்கு தனியாவும் பாடமாக்கணுங்கிற அவசியம்லாம் இல்ல. For both you can find out the rules and regulation in a same manner. Right? First of all, we studied about that short part. Again, we studied about discus. So in short put, they are having two techniques. In that technique, we are in short put we are studying about liner technique. Here in discus throw, we are studying about the rotational technique. And in short put, you are having a 5 stages. Here you are having in discus, you are having a 6 stages, right? And the court also you can find out the differentiation, but the same thing go through for the rules and regulation. Right, first one, after competition has started, the circle and the area of which the equipment lands can't, right? Listen this carefully, see this carefully. Can't be used for training area activities. Right? Naga match ஆரம்பமாக முன்னுக்கோ game start ஆக முன்னுக்கோ we can get the practices. After competition started, we can't go and get the practice in both areas. Ada clear ah venaikolunga. Here we are seeing one by one for all both discus and short put. That is you need to mainly know about. Second point see here, the place that each participant has won is decided on their best performance in all their rounds. Right, we will see how many rounds they are having. In that all rounds, they are, what is the best? An attempt should be started with the stand position within the circle. Right, attempt வந்து நாங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம்னா ஸ்டடி பண்ணோம்னா வந்து within the circle விட்டு நாங்க வெளியால போயிட்டு செய்யக்கூடாது. Next, after an attempt has been made, the participant should leave the circle through the back of the half. Right, here see all of you know this is the court. Now just I am drawing here. This is the court. One of the player have finished the game. That player can't come in this side, right? The player need to go backward of that ground, right? That is the thing you need to, they are mentioning in this point. And next one, after an attempt has been made, the participant should leave the circle through the half back, right? That is the point. It is a fault attempt to touch the ground outside the circle, the top of the iron rim or the spot board or the area beyond that within the part of the body. Right? இது வந்து என்ன செய்யற இது வந்து fault. They are telling this is fault. அது வந்து பிழையான attempt கருதப்படும். எங்க outside the circle, top of the ring, iron rim, and the stop board. இதுலலாம் வந்து நாங்க டச் பண்ண எங்களோட body touch பண்ணனாக்கா that all will get the fault. Participants are not allowed to wear gloves. That is also important. Bare hands, கையில எதுவும் இல்லாம அவங்க வந்து பவுடர் சுண்ணாம்பு மாதிரி ஒண்ணு கையில பூசிக்கிட்டு என்ன செய்வாங்க, they will participate in these events, right? Now we will see that extra knowledge. Here see they are telling about the stages and how we are getting that chances. Here see they are telling, here they are explaining about the high jump, right? But for short put and discus also like these things. இப்ப எங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிற 3 சான்ஸ் சொன்னாக்கா அந்த 3 சான்ஸ்ல எது பெஸ்டோ அதை வச்சு தான் we will calculate the places. Right, likewise here also you can see this is they are telling except for high jump, except for high jump and pole vault, because why? Each and high jump and pole vault, each and every stages there will be the height will be increased. ஒரு 5 அடியில இருந்து 5 ஃபீட்ல இருந்தாக்க it can be differ for second time 6 feet, for third time 8 feet, it can be changeable. right? That is the thing they are telling here. The method used resolve a tie position of the competitors. The maximum achievements of 4 long jumpers has been tabled below in a Twitter. You see, Suponi, Samandi, Amia, Pesindi. Let us find the places of the 4 competitors according to the result table. Right, here see this cross. The cross போனதுல வந்து fault. அவங்க ஏதோ ஒரு பிழை விட்டிக்கிறாங்க அதனால cross போய்க்கிறாங்க. For each player, how many rounds they got? Tell.
6 rounds.
6 rounds they got. சரியா எல்லாருக்குமே 6 rounds கிடைக்குது. அதே நேரத்துல here see this is the highest achievement. Each and every player's higher achievement. அப்ப 4.50 4.50 4.50. அப்ப நாங்க இந்த 4.50ங்கறதால நாங்க எல்லாருக்குமே first place can we give? Can't. So we need to see here in what is the next fault they held. அப்ப automatically see that 4th person Pesindi, see she got 2 fault and her highest is 4.46. So automatically this person coming to 4th place because of why the other players getting 1 fault. ஒரு fault தான் அவங்க எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க. இவங்க ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா 2 fault எடுத்ததால அவங்க இதுல 4 பார்ட்டிசிபேட்ஸ்ங்கறதால நாங்க அவங்கள கொண்டு வந்து 4th பிளேஸ்ல போடுறோம். Now here we need to see the first, second, third places. But we can get இப்ப இதுல வந்து highest achievement வந்து various ஆகி இருந்தால் கூட குறைய இருந்தாக்கா we just go through this one. இத ஒண்ணு இந்த highest achievement வச்சே we can give the first, second, third places. But here what is happening? That highest achievement are same. So we need to go through one by one the rounds. நாங்க அதுக்கு பிறகு என்ன செய்வோம் இந்த ஒவ்வொரு ரவுண்டா பெய்து நாங்க இந்த ரவுண்ட் எல்லாத்தையும் நாங்க வந்து கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவோம். ரைட், இப்ப பாருங்க இந்த அமையா see here she got the 3.7 3.9 3.9 4.3 like these things. ரைட், அப்ப இவங்க மேல உள்ள 2 பேரையும் விட இவங்க வந்து அவ குறைவாதான் இந்த லைன் இந்த அமையா இருக்கிறாங்க. So automatically we are giving the 3rd place. Right, we need to see this each and every part and we are giving the place. Right, after that we need to see these 2 persons Supuni and Samandi. இவங்க 2 பேரையும் இப்ப நாங்க பார்க்க போறோம். category of that their achievements. அப்ப 4.4 வந்துகிது. அதுக்கு பிறகு பாருங்க இவங்களோட சுமந்திரைய பாருங்க 4.4 4.0 4.1. ஆனா இந்த மேல உள்ளவங்க எல்லாம் பாருங்க எல்லாமே வந்து 4.0 இங்க 4.0வே இல்ல, எல்லாம் 4.5 4.1 4.4 4.3 4.1 like this it's increasing. ரைட், இதுல வந்து அவங்களோட இது வந்து அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் வந்து குறையுது பாருங்க. இதுல வந்து 4.4 just 4. ஆனா இங்க அவங்க வந்து 4 விட கூடுதலா எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க. So automatically we are giving the place first place for Supuni and we are giving the second place for Samanti and again the 3rd and 4th places automatically they are getting. Right, now I think you all of you clear in this lesson.
Yes, teacher.
Now see here, this is the short part, right? This is the persons they are participating in international level games, right? Here, this is the quote of the short part. Here, the person is rotating in the line, short put having throwing short put here, right? They are carrying how they are carrying here. See all the persons, the bare hands. கையில எதுவுமே இல்ல, gloves எல்லாம் எதுவும் போட்டில்ல. You can find out, you can see here, right? அது ஒரு சுண்ணாம்பு மாதிரியான பவுடர் தான் அவங்கள கையில இருக்கும். Right? Here see that girl, here lady, and the gents all are having like that. Right? This is the cord of the short part. Right here, see, you can see the difference of the, this is the circle we need to rotate, or what we need to do here. And the next thing, this is the equipment of that short part. Right? They will give the equipment also, and they will ask this which technique used for this equipment. அப்படி கேள்வி கேட்டாக்கா you need to give that short part. சரியா? இல்லாட்டி what is the technique used by this equipment? So you need to give the linear technique or rotational technique, right? And they will ask from this equipment how many stages they can release. How many stages? 5 stages are there. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு picture வச்சுக்கிட்டு they can ask a lot of questions, right? This is the short part. I think all of you clear in this one. Now here you can see the discus throw. In the discus throw, here see this is the discus of that person's having. Here also you can find out all the players having a without any gloves. All are bare hands. எந்த கையும் இல்லாம எந்த gloves-உம் எதுவும் இல்லாம they are having, right? And here this is the equipment of that one. This is the ring, rib, நாங்க கையில நாங்க பிடிச்சு கொள்ற அந்த rim. And these are the players, how they are throwing. This is the anti-clockwise throwing method, right? In the circle only they can throw, right? Without, after throwing, they can't come, they need to come backward, right? They can't come front, right? Right, இங்க பாருங்க இந்த பட்டை நீங்க பாத்தீங்கல்ல discus throw